What is up, guys? What is going on? It's Friday, and I'm still alive, dang it. You ain't gonna take me, you stupid virus. You ain't gonna take me. Guys, it's been so rough over the past couple of days. I so apologize for not being around. I'm still kind of dying, if you guys can't tell. I'll actually be coughing quite a bit, probably, like right now. But we're going to be kicking through it, guys. We're going to be muscling through it. We got a lot of stuff to talk about today. Man, it feels like a year's gone by. It really does. What's up, Rocking Ape? What's up, Ivan? David? Star? What's up, man? Matt? Crypto Moto? What's up, guys? Man, Mitchie. I'm so glad to be back. I'm not 100%, but I do appreciate all the well wishes. I do appreciate all of you guys' support. It has been rough. In fact, before we jump on any further, I would like to ask of you guys to keep Nick in your guys' thoughts and prayers too. I don't know if you guys do prayers and whatnot, but he's actually been dealing with a lot of things as well. He actually had to go to the ER. I'm not going to go into too much more than saying that. So he's not going to be with us today, I don't think. I basically told him, like, just take as much time as he needs off. So a lot of, like, guys, unfortunately, a lot of things have been hitting just home, like 100%. Like, I don't know what's going on. It's just that time, I guess, where everything's just going to fall. But yeah, if you guys would keep him in your thoughts and prayers as well, hopefully he gets better. And you know, he can join us again here soon. What's up, Brahma? Yeah, guys, everything. And now, even though I feel a little bit better, my whole family basically has it. So I'm like, oh, you know, it is what it is, guys. We got a lot of stuff we're going to talk about today. Before I jump into everything, though, let me do my little spill. My name is Tank. This is the IBC Gang YouTube channel. We talk about everything that's in the cryptoverse, as well as specifically talking about what's happening in the Cosmos ecosystem, because we're cosmonauts through and through. So if you guys like that, if you guys want to get this kind of information on a daily, well, I should say I've been sick. So usually on a daily basis throughout the work week, drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel. The more people that see these videos, the more exposure the Cosmos ecosystem gets, and that should be a win-win for everybody. So do me a favor, do yourself a favor, do everybody in the Cosmos ecosystem a favor. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and jump on into things, guys. Yeah, I don't even know if Nick is going to be in chat or not, guys. So whatever the case is, like, again, you know, he had it pretty rough as well. So he actually had to take a trip to the ER. So yeah, keep them in your guys' thoughts. We're going to be talking about what's happening. I know a lot of people right now are kind of like, oh, snaps. You know, are we sinking the ship or what are we doing? Guys, it's not all doom and gloom. Although I did say a time and time again, you know, don't get too caught up front running the market, because that's how people get ran over by the train. Guys, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin on the daily. We like to stay on the daily. We're going to take a look at Market Cipher B, which is the lower section of the charts. RSIs all coming down, guys. Excuse me. If I cough like consistently, bear with me. I'm trying to survive still, guys. And no, it wasn't COVID. It was, I took a home test and it wasn't COVID. I already had COVID, but like apparently it wasn't COVID. So I'm guessing it's like whatever horrible flu is going around. But yeah, it took a hold of me and shook me off my tree really fast. Yeah, guys, let's take a look at the lower section of the charts right here. You can see the RSIs clearly coming back down. Both of them not yet showing any kind of reversal signs to the upside. We also see right now that we are, excuse me, this is going to be a struggle bus. We also are seeing signs that the waves could be coming down as well. So we might be going back in to the negative money flow. Although right now we are still keeping it on the daily. It does look like that's kind of like, you know, it's getting weaker and weaker. If you go up here to Market Cipher A, top section of the charts, you can see here just by the candles. Right here, look at that. Smash the doodle candle right there. That was yesterday's candle. But obviously right now, just clearly pointing downwards. I swear I don't usually cough this much. It's only when I start talking a lot. I got to do it though. I got to do it, guys. As you guys can see though, right now we are coming back down. It does look like we're coming back down. So we really could retest $39,000 to $38,000. You know, I've been sharing with you guys for some time now my overall thought process of where you guys should be DCAing if you guys are looking for a strong DCA position to start doing that. And that is right about here, $30,617. I still think that's in play. I really do still think that's in play. You guys want to know why I think that's in play? Because what has the Fed said they're going to, what has the Fed said they're going to do? Did I say that right? I don't know. I'm still foggy brained as well. They're going to raise interest rates, and they're going to raise them hard, guys. They're like, they know that nothing that they can do other than raising it hard here in the future in the next couple of meetings is going to like deter the markets. Because right now the markets are kind of pricing in everything. They're calling the bluff of the Feds. I've said it time and time again. I really don't think there's anything they can do long term to kind of like stop the train. I think we are just into hyperinflation here soon. Whether that's a good thing or a bad thing. I mean, it kind of sucks no matter what, especially if you live in the United States. Well, basically, if any country you live in, if, you know, it goes and uses the dollar as its, you know, reserve currency. But anyway, it is what it is. But I do think before we start seeing a real reversal with Bitcoin, I think that this area is going to get met. And that's not financial advice. That's just me telling you guys my overall thoughts and what I actually think is going to happen. I think we're going to see somewhere around here. I don't think we necessarily even have to come down to it exactly. Like I've said a million times, we can come down to here and wick away. We could come kind of like what we've been doing right here. Ooch, let me see here. We've been doing like this right here and then wicking away. We could do that. We could come all the way down to it and wick away. We could even cut through it to 28.5 or something like that and then wick away. It's not going to be a V-shaped recovery either like that. I'm just doing that just to, you know, just to do it. But I really do think that this area is a good level to start slowly DCAing if you are considering getting more Bitcoin, if you are bullish. Not financial advice, but that is what I'm going to be doing. That's what I'm looking out for. Admittingly, though, I do have buy orders since nobody knows where the bottom is and where the top is. All the way down. Basically every $1,000 for Bitcoin, I do have buy orders all the way down and past. Just because I'm bullish on Bitcoin and I'm bullish on it for the multi-year, like for many years in the future. So I just kind of want to throw that out there for you guys. Don't think that it can't happen. It's going to happen, guys. When the Fed like really hammers down on rates, it's going to affect the market. No matter how much the market tries to price it in, it's going to happen, guys. Hold on, I have to eat these like candy because, as you guys can tell, I'm nasally. By the way, maybe I can get a sponsorship of this. Have you guys ever tried these Vicks Vapor Cool? I don't know if you guys can even see that. The Vicks Vapor Cool cough drops. It's like putting Vicks in your mouth. It's insane. Anyway. That's what I'm seeing right now, guys. Don't try to front run things. I've been saying it many, many times before. 200 SMA strategy shows me right about 30,617. It also goes with previous support in the past. There's going to be a lot of buying support right around that area. So if you guys are looking for a DCA entry point, that's where I would be looking at. Let's move on in real quickly to Ethereum. If I can find it. Ethereum kind of breaking down, guys. Look here. Kind of breaking down a little bit. Like I would say like it's not surprising. The delay for ETH 2.0 again is not surprising at all, but it's not helping matters for ETH. Right now we are still above this trend line that we've been kind of staying above for a little while. We threaded through it a little bit back here, but we are still like right at it right now. We could easily break down below that. And the next area of support would be right around here, which is previous resistance for us, guys. That would bring us all the way down to $2,200. And don't think that that can't happen because yes, it can. It can definitely happen, guys. Right now, we are breaking below the 50 SMA, which is this red line right here. And we have not even come close to recapturing the 200 SMA. So, guys, I'm sorry, my kids are loud over there. But yeah, that's what I got right now for ETH. Actually, if we go here and take a look at the lower section of the charts, you can see same thing as Bitcoin, RSI's coming back down, momentum. Look, it looks like we still have positive money flow right now, but we do have a sell signal, which is this red dot against this positive green money flow. Guys, it's just slowly and slowly decreasing. I do think that there's a good likelihood that we could see. Actually, let me go here. We could see. Yeah, we could see anywhere from 25. No, Yeah, we can see anywhere from 25. I'll say it. I don't want to say this earlier to kind of like put a stamp on anything and confirm, but this is kind of still a wide range. We literally could see anywhere from between 2,500 to about 2,000. This is saying 18, but I necessarily don't think that that's actually going to happen, but that is an average from the 200 SMA break strategy that I use. Excuse me, that's 48.88%. But I think anywhere between here is where we're going to see kind of a flooring position happen, somewhere between there. That's what I got for ETH, guys. What's up, Noah? What's up, Altcoin Facts? Dave. Bren, what's up, man? Whew. You know what's really bad about this flu, too? Like, I don't have a fever, but I feel like I'm sweating right now. I'm like, come on, Tank. You can do this. Get through it. Get through it. Get through it. We got to get through it. It doesn't help that this bright light is, like, right in my face, too. We're going to move on to our favorite cousin, Luna. Luna doing really, really well, actually. Dying, guys. I'm dying. Trying to push back above the 50 SMA right here. We are still staying away from the 200 SMA, which is a good thing, guys. I still do think there is a good likely chance that we could possibly see right around this area. As you can see, I do have a alert set right here for a really strong DCA position for myself, not financial advice. But that's where I'm looking for starting my DCA strategy. The average tells me it could go down 59.77%, but I don't necessarily think that's going to happen. So since I don't know where the floor is, I'm going to start DCAing here, 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 and then bang, there. You guys know I like to do things in 4. Right now, I'm trying to see if the 50 SMA holds up as support, and we can kind of just build kind of like this going forward. So not much to say on Luna right now. The RSIs are coming back down, still in the green. But yeah, still, still looking at this long-term trend line. I'm starting to think I'm going to have to change it though soon, to be honest with you. Like if it doesn't get recaptured here shortly, like kind of like I gave it time right here to get recaptured, and then eventually it did. How long was that actually? How long was that? 29 days. How long has this been? How long has this been? 7. You better start doing your thing. You better start doing your thing. I'm trying to look. I really do appreciate the well wishes, guys. I really am trying to muscle through this right now. Dying. Ain't no virus taking me down though. No, I don't care if it's the corona. I don't care if it's the flu. I don't care. Although I'm not gonna lie, guys, I was pretty bad the other day, pretty bad. Next thing we're gonna take a look at is Atom. Ooh, guys. All right, hold on to your hats. All right. What I tell you guys? I told you guys. You guys thought I was crazy? I ain't crazy. I ain't crazy. I've been trying to share with you guys the 200 SMA strategy for forever. All right, guys, take a look at this right here. This is a very interesting chart right now. 200 SMA strategy. I'm not going to repeat myself about what that strategy is. Well, I guess I will. Whatever. I will, because there might be new people here. The 200 SMA strategy is when the 200 SMA doesn't hold up as support for price action and the time that it spends below that SMA. So on average, through all the price history for Atom, the average is about 34.14% total average move down once the 200 SMA is broken over the pass. That is before it starts finding itself a flooring position. That leads us to right around $20.77. We are coming down to that level right now, guys. We are coming down to that level pretty well. And matter of fact, these yellow X's right here, they are supposed to signify manipulation on Market Cipher, excuse me. I don't know if you I don't know if you want to call it manipulation or whatever it is. Like it is what it is. But those yellow X's basically mean that we're probably going to come down a little bit more. As you can see in the past, when we have yellow X's, we do come down. We've had 2 of them and then we fought it and then we're coming back down right now. So we do probably, or we should probably expect a little bit more price suppression than appreciation going forward here in the short to near future. Based on the 50 SMA strategy, we can come all the way down to $17.50. Again, guys, I'm looking to start DCAing again right around here, 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 and then I'm going to put a banger somewhere in the very bottom. I like to do things in 4, not financial advice. That's just what I'm doing. Take a look right here on Market Cipher B. Coming back down with the RSIs. We got a red, man, everything looks crappy right now, actually, guys. We got a red dot right here, and we're still in the negative money flow. So doesn't look good, guys. Does not look good right now for the strength of Atom. Although we do have a couple of things that might save us in the short to near future. Like, you know, as far as like the developments happening for the Atom token and whatnot, that really could turn things around. But I do think that we will more than likely, like I've been sharing with you guys, probably hit $20 to $17 again to test it as support. Now, if we do that, the one thing I want to point out to you guys, it wouldn't be totally, you know, out of the ordinary. Basically, all we're doing is just doing the same thing we've been doing for a long time now. We're just testing this same level. Actually, let me do this. It'd be a lot easier right here. We're just testing this same level that we've been testing this whole time. So, you know, it is what it is, guys. Now, as I say that, I do want to say, like the thumbnail, I do think that the Cosmos ecosystem is the best ecosystem to be hedging against a bear market. Because I do think that we're already in a bear market. We've been in a bear market for a long time now. Let me share with you guys what I've been sharing with everybody here. If you guys have been watching my channel, like I've been saying that this is our bear market. This is our bear market zone this whole time, guys. Right when we came down to here, this was our bear market. We're just going sideways here. And, you know, they're not fun, but they can still be taken advantage of. And if you've been in the Cosmos ecosystem, staking your Atom, let me just kind of remind you guys what we've been currently dealing with. Airdrops after airdrops after airdrops after airdrops. I know just from holding Atom, I was rewarded Juno, I was rewarded other things. And on top of those things, when I was holding those, I got things like Neta, I got things like CRE, I got all kinds of things. Some of those airdrops were $30,000 worth for me. Like, it is the best hedge, is the best ecosystem to hedge against a bear market. So I do want to just kind of remind you guys that you guys should be patting yourself on the back because you're in the best place, in my humble opinion, if we do see some more downward motion in the markets, if we actually do see like a true raw bear market where it's just people are getting eaten alive, you guys are probably the best ecosystem to hedge against it. Other people are going to get tore up. And it's sad, but I honestly do think that you guys are in the best place that you could possibly be in. Oh, let me see here, guys. I'm dying. Like, if you guys can't tell, I'm literally dying right now. Let's go over to the 10K portfolio. Let me refresh this. Not as bad as the last time we viewed this, but we're not back up to $8,000. So guys, if you guys don't know, we are trying to give away $1,000 of this 10K portfolio in about 2 months now. If we can get back up to at least $10,000 and break even. We did this study to see which of all 10 of these Cosmos related, I can't even think, projects would do better. It's not really even competition, but I wanted to do it for a study just to see, like, you know, because everybody asks, like, if you have $1,000, what would you ape into? And I was like, you know what, let's take $10,000, split it amongst 10 other projects and just see how they do against each other. Right now, Sif Chain doing the best, guys. Terra doing the second best. Persistence, like, real, not that it, you know, I was betting against it, but it's really surprising me how well it's doing. A lot of people give me flack for putting XPRT on there, but doing really, really well. Everything else is down right now. So if we can get back up to 10,000, we will give away to 10 people $100 a piece in about 2 months. So 2 months is a long time. A lot of things can change, guys. Hopefully we'll see that get back up to $10,000 and we can give away $100 to 10 of you guys. So yeah. Whew. I feel like I'm sweating. I feel like stupid virus. All right, guys, let's get into a couple of things real quickly. We're going to talk about Pulsar. If you guys are a lunatic, if you guys are in that side of the fence as far as the Cosmos ecosystem goes, you guys should definitely be keeping an eye out on this. You guys can clearly see it on their Twitter page right here. I'm suggesting, not telling you guys what to do, but I'm suggesting that you guys take a look at this. This is something that's extremely exciting. I can't wait for it to actually fully launch and so that I can dabble on this platform. But you can see right here, it's not, this is their landing page. It's not out yet, obviously, but this is their landing page for Pulsar. Definitely check them out, guys. It's really, really cool. Actually, let me see here. Can I rewind this? This is their little thing. I thought this was really cool, actually. What is it right here? Bundled wallets. There it is. Yeah. Oh, you guys can't see it. Up top here, it says bundled wallets. That is amazing for everybody that's in the Terra ecosystem, guys. That's amazing. Yeah, I want to dive into this just a little bit more. But this looks really, really cool. You can manage your NFTs. We need something like that on this side of the fence. On this side of the fence. But yeah, just wanted to kind of point that out for you guys. Hold on one second. Let me try to keep up with the chat real quick. Appreciate it, Fozzie. Cash still has Stargaze bottom. We'll get to that in just a little bit. Cash. Another. Well, I'll have to look at it. OLT, I'll have to look at it. Juno, be the well, be the well. Adam's going to have some, yeah. And guys, and we're not even done through the Cosmos airdrop season. There's like so much things coming, so much raw. You guys know we're all excited for raw. It doesn't matter how you guys feel about the Atom thing or whatnot. That's amazing. There we got Evmos coming back on. We got a whole bunch of stuff coming. Yeah, I mean, I would highly, not financial advice, but Fozzie, I definitely agree with that. Mars protocol looks great. I'm going to have to, look, I'm jumping all into the Terra side, guys. I'm going to need to start hiring some of you guys to just like be professionals with us. There's only so much I can do, especially when, especially when, one thing, actually, I'm sorry, I'm kind of going all over, but I'm scatterbrained. The one thing that being sick taught me is that, well, obviously I lean on Nick a lot of times too, but I need to start bringing in people that are also involved in the ecosystems like we are, that could maybe carry the load every once in a while. And like, obviously it'd be a paid position and stuff like that. But we need to figure that out somehow, some way. But it needs to be like somebody that's reliably able to do that. So don't sleep on Crow either. Nope. Do not sleep on. We're going to talk about that in a little bit. CRE airdrop was insane. It was. Let's go on real quickly. Talk about Umi. If you guys didn't know, I did a video about the Umi testnet. I do really, really recommend that you guys check out these testnets when they drop. There's something to like being involved in the testnets. Like it's saying right there, it's an incentivized testnet. It's not hard to get in on these testnets and then get rewarded just for playing around and touching it, guys. Get cooties every once in a while. Cooties are fine, especially if you're going to get rewarded with something that's possibly bullish. Guys, you guys can see right here, incentivized testnet. I made a video. Oops, that's just, I was doing my research. That's just the Umi testnet tokens and stuff like that. As you can see right here, I've been playing around on it. It's, honestly, it's pretty smooth. Is it my favorite so far platform that I've been testing? But that, there's nothing, I can't say anything bad about it, to be honest with you. The only thing I can say that I've not been able to figure out, and I don't know if it's just me, maybe I have cooties and it doesn't like me or something like that, but I can only get my Umi testnet tokens to work. Like I can only get my Umi testnet tokens to work here. Even now it's not, what are you doing, thing? See, like, and I've submitted for my freaking thingies. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, you know why? Because I was testing out the Evmos one. Hold on. Boom. Network changed. Osmos. Does it work yet? Nope. For some reason, see, that's the only thing I don't like. And I don't know why I cannot get the Umi. Only the Umi thing has worked for me so far. And anytime I try to go to the faucet, I can't get more. So I don't know, guys. That's like, still try to play around with it if you can. Go ahead, touch it. Go ahead, touch it. It's worth it, guys. Yeah. But if you guys want more information on it, guys, you guys can go ahead and check out this right here. Just go to the Umi Twitter. It really gives an easy breakdown on how to do everything. Go ahead and just get a swap in, supply something, do something, touch it so that you can be part of the incentivized testnet, guys. Just do a little something. Just do a little something. Next one we're going to be talking about, guys, this month has been like the testnet deployment era. Like it really has been, guys. Diffusion testnet. We had Umi's testnet, Pulsar's coming out, Comdex testnet came out. All these things are coming out. So again, one of the big reasons why I've been saying that the Cosmos ecosystem is by far one of the best hedges against a bear market. Things are just deploying and like real things too, not just crap things. Real things are deploying out there in the space during a bear market. And it's insane. It's driving a lot of value to the Cosmos ecosystem. So Diffusion actually has a testnet up as well, guys. You guys can check them out on their Twitter right here. You can see, excuse me. Very sorry, guys. For the people, got to keep moving on. Let me go here and change my wallet again, guys. Let me change my wallet. Oh my gosh. Dying over here, guys. Dying. Okay, there we go. We're back at it again. Bada bing, bada boom. So as you can see right here, you can get Evmos faucet tokens or testnet tokens as well. And again, I would definitely highly recommend just coming over here, just goof off a little bit, guys. Swap a little bit, you know, just do a little something. I don't know what's going on right there. What? Wait. What does that mean? I don't. Oh, wait. Swap. Don't worry about all that. Confirm. Close. There. Boom. I participated. I don't know what my wife is printing over here. But yeah, guys, I definitely highly suggest that you guys go over here and check it out. I'm going to be doing a lot more swaps and playing around on this testnet as well. But it is here for you guys to play around on as well. And you guys could be rewarded for it. You guys really could be rewarded for it. You can use every 12 hours. Yeah, but Matt, even my Atom, my Juno, and whatever else was over there, like I can't get like it. I have it in my first initial ones. I have it in my wallet, but it's just not showing up for some reason here. It's just not showing up on the testnet for some reason. Like it won't let me use it. It's in my wallet. I can't use it. I don't understand. It's just me. I probably have goodies. Next thing I want to talk to you guys about though, and I'm going to make separate detailed videos like I did for the Comdex testnet for Umi and for Diffusion as well. So you guys be on the lookout for that. I'm going to be doing that over this weekend so that you guys have stuff to kind of like watch and play around with as well. So be on the lookout for that, guys. But yeah, Evmos, Diffusion, big things. Is somebody sneaking in my office? They are sneaking in my office. Anyway, guys, you have the same problem. They're fixing it. Okay. I thought it was just me, Chav. I thought it was just me. So I'm glad to hear that. Let's move on over. Last thing, like I said earlier, I made a video about this over the weekend. Or yeah, was it over the weekend? A couple of days ago. It's all been a blur since I've been sick, guys. But we're going to be talking about the Comdex DevNet 2.1. Guys, I really did enjoy this. Now, if you guys want to know how to do it, just go to the Comdex Twitter page right here. And you can get, your faucet testnet tokens to this page right here, which is all linked right here as well. You can see it. and then you can go play around on their testnet. Full disclosure, the guys at Comdex are reaching out to me, and I do want to hear them out. So I will be talking to them about maybe doing a collab or something like that. Again, you guys know me. I'm not taking allocations for anything. I'm not being bought out by anybody, but I do want to hear what they have to say. But yeah, they reached out to me after I did that video. So we'll be seeing what they have to say. I really, even without that, like I said in my video before they even reached out to me, I really do like this platform. It was pretty cool, pretty seamless, pretty easy to use. The only criticism I had was that the fonts are really, really small. Even right now, I'm kind of like, ugh, but I am kind of still under the weather, so it might just be me. I really did like it, guys. I honestly really did like it. As you can see right here, it's pretty, I mean, it's just so smooth. It's just, it's easy to read. It's super, super smooth. Anytime you go on a page or a tab, I should say, you have all the information that you need right then and there. Like if you look up here between their swap right here, their C swap, you can see the information from CMDX to C gold. You can see all the information right here, the total liquidity, the premium, the volume, the Oracle price. Like you don't have to go to another tab. So, I mean, people might be kind of like about CMDX. I'm really bullish on synthetic assets, especially in a bear market. So if they can actually launch this well and have their mechanisms and, you know, the algorithms that peg everything and make it all work, I really do like, just based on what they provided on their testnet or their devnet is what they call it. I really do like what I'm seeing so far. So I'm kind of bullish. Like I really, we're going to get into the osmosis chart breakdown in a little bit, but I'm really eyeballing a serious position into CMDX here shortly, guys. But yeah, that's what I got for the overall rundown of things. Now we're going to go on into the osmosis charts. Boom, 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 boom. Ba-da-da-doom. Oh, look at that. Everything down. Everything down but what? Everything down but what, guys? What I've been telling you guys for about a month now. Nick and I have been telling you guys this for so freaking long. Sif chain. Everything else down right now but Sif chain. Not by much. I should say that. Not by much. But yeah, it's, could be doing so much better though, right? Could be doing so much better. All right, let's go into kind of like an AMA. I'm sorry, Nick's not here, so I'm going to have to read this as we go and see if you guys have any charts you guys want me to go over and stuff like that. I love Comdex. See ya. All right, Noah, later, man. Oh, gosh. I think with the Umi faucet, you can use every 12 hours. Are you needing ETH to use? For no, not with that. Hold on 1 second. I gotta blow my nose, guys. I can't help it anymore. Dying over here. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying my best to keep going. Yeah, but no, you're actually just using the you get charged. What was it? I can't think right now. I'm just gonna say it. You don't. No. Oh, so sorry. I promise you guys the streams will get better once I start feeling alive again. I love Comdex. Great project with lots of potential. Yeah, seriously do. If Tank was GA, I'd be quick kick. Oh man, I haven't seen that in forever. I'll take that as a compliment though. Rowan. Yeah, I've been trying to tell y'all about Rowan. NGM2. Oh, yeah. We'll talk about XPRT. Is that what you guys want to talk about right now? Is XPRT? So guys, let me know. I'm just going to go down. You know what? I'm just going to go down the list right now. So Osmosis or Osmo coming down quite a bit, huh? Quite a bit. Look at that, guys. Coming back down quite a bit. This is your DCA zone right here, guys. From this line right here, to this line right here. So from $5.48 to where we are right now to $4 is basically a strong buying support level. If you get anything below that, you better consider yourself really, really, really lucky. Really, really lucky, guys. There's a lot of bullish things actually coming for Osmo. And you know what? I do want to say this. I haven't been able to take a look at this, but I was thinking about it as I was laying in bed for like the past couple of days. Excuse me. Is the selling pressure coming from, because you guys got to think about it, right? Like we're talking about the Juno CCN issue and all this stuff. You know that he has probably a whole bunch of Osmo too. Like, are they selling it? What's the selling pressure coming from? What is the selling? What do you guys think the selling pressure is coming from? Gracie, of course. No, don't ever put me close to those men are idols of mine, and there's no way in hell that I will ever consider myself close to those gentlemen at all. But I appreciate that, BitSource. I appreciate that. But yeah, I mean, I was wondering that too. Like, why are we seeing so much selling pressure right now? Is it because the APRs are kind of like coming off, or is it because there's a big selling pressure? Is there because there's big selling pressure coming in from an outside source? What do you guys think? I'm gonna have to do some digging and find out if that same person is also suppressing the price of Osmo. But yeah, anywhere between there and there, guys, I think is a really good buying place. Again, that's about $4. If you get anything below $4, you better consider yourself super lucky. Super lucky. And plus, we also have the third happening real soon. Quick Kick is my idol. No, I said I haven't seen it in forever. No, you're talking about the Gracie. Gracie family. Are you the one that also does, you're the one that also does jiu-jitsu as well, right? Right? I don't idolize anybody, by the way. I said that, but I really don't. I don't have like those things. To me, people are just people, but like there's some people I have like mad respect for. You think that's all this selling pressure is because people are diversifying to get into other platforms? That could be it. Like, right, we do have a platform war going on right now, right? Like Juno Swap, CMDX, well, basically all of them that we're just covering right now, they're all coming out. But you got to understand, like, well, I guess this is just my thoughts. Osmosis is so unique that one, no matter what, like right now, it still has the most total value lock and the most transactions, IBC transactions by far compared to anything else out there. And it also has smart contract capability, and it has a third thing happening here like real soon. It already has mass adoption, and like, you know, you talk about what am I trying to think? Superfluid staking, interfluid staking, all this other stuff. So much innovations that's already happened on the platform. And also now that they have the frontier side on it as well, like I don't know. I've been kind of thinking about that too while I've been lying in bed. I don't know if like, is it really even a competition? I don't know. I think maybe a lot of people are just chasing APRs. I would agree with that. Like maybe they're jumping platforms to chase APRs. Oh, okay. No, I didn't think you would be. God, remember, I'm kind of out of my mind as well right now. Perhaps it's people trying to diversify, but I doubt it. I used to idolize Tank until the virus showed my weakness. Oh, this virus is stupid. All right, we're gonna go in. I'm just rambling, guys. Ooh, when did they do this? Excuse me. I want this. I want this for up here. I want this for up there. I want this. Someone get me this. They think it's a whole new thing. People are forgetting that CRE is just a rebranded Gravity Dex too. No, like I will. So Brent, I see that. I do want to say that too. I've seen a lot of people like, saying that about Gravity X. Hello, sunshine. Or is that the moon? That's the moon. I thought that was the sun for a second. I see a lot of people like giving Crescent that flack as well. Like, it's just Gravity Dex rebranded. Even if it is, so what? Like it's doing what it was supposed to do the first time better now. So like, don't let other people's bias or other people's interaction in the past influence your thoughts about it going forward. Like I personally have not sold anything. I've just went straight into staking, into farming and stuff like that. I've already almost 3x'd it. So like, I can't complain. I think they're doing a pretty damn good job, but like, I wouldn't short sell Crescent just because it's a rebounded reroll and retake of Gravity Dex. Yes, I know. Just like, people are saying the same thing with Juno swap. Like, you can't say stuff to people and then not do stuff for people. Like I've been saying many, many times, this game is not like the markets are alive. This game changes every day, every second. The parameters and the rules and the things change, guys. Like, you got to be able to move with those momentums, with those changes in the ecosystem, or else you're gonna like, I don't know. I guess what I'm trying to say is you're gonna miss out on opportunities just because of old biases that other people have. Like, I know people that didn't want to get anything to do from Crescent just because it was a rebrand of CMDX. I got $4,000 worth of Crescent for absolutely nothing. Like, I have nothing to complain about. The chokehold, the virus. I've been trying, man. How bullish some people are all of a sudden on CRE. I think one of the big things that they got, honestly, I think Brent, like, and I still, cause that I will also say that bias and that viewpoint does still have some valid, it has some weight. It has some validity to it. Like, yeah, like one of the things you learn from things you don't forget, right? So like, people should be cautious about things, especially if they're actually involved in the original Gravity Dex and stuff like that. They're gonna have that taste in their mouth for a reason, and it's valid to feel that way. I think though, probably why they are hyping it up so much is just because they're like I said earlier, they're just chasing APRs right now. Like, how is everybody gonna feel when these come down? Like, they've already come down quite a bit, right? How is everybody gonna feel when these come down? Like, basically the 50s and stuff like that. The one thing that does still keep me really, really interested though is like the fees. You guys know me, like I was saying about Osmo and stuff like that. I made $500 to 10K over and over and over because I could spot trade with zero fees. It was like I wasn't getting eaten up by the mosquito fee demons every time I made a trade. So like right now, what are the fees still zero right now? I don't know, guys. I've been out of it for a week. Are they still zero? Like, that's something super, super bullish about. And yeah, you are getting anything in a triple digit APR is something to definitely be bullish about. So maybe they are just kind of jumping around, kind of chasing APRs and stuff like that. But yeah, I will agree there, maybe they are overhyping it a little bit, but I wouldn't underplay them as well as what I've been trying to say. Yeah, I know, Brent. I know. I'm just I've been seeing that a lot while I've been out just watching Twitter. Not trying to find anything. Siri has the market in a premium necktie joke. I shared the stream in a tweet, but no one really follows me. So, Dave, don't matter, man. I appreciate your effort. It don't matter. We could stay at this level for a long. It's about quality over quantity for me. Like, it's fine. It's totally fine. Maybe, maybe we'll grow to be some crazy YouTube channel later in life. It doesn't matter to me. If what I put out there and the things that I say resonate with you guys in some kind of way or fashion, not that it's financial advice or not that I'm trying to give you guys financial advice, but if it helps you guys in your positions in any kind of way, whether it be getting information before some other people, whether it be giving you, things to just think about, and, changes your position in your portfolio. That's all that matters to me. If it's somehow beneficial to you guys, I'm doing my job. I think that's all that matters to me. North, north, south. I hate that position. Somewhere in the UMI testnet, you have to transfer your atom to UMI, then you can use your atom. What? I have to figure that out. Then you can use your atom. I'm at work right now and don't have a PC. I will try to let you know later in Discord. Yeah, definitely do, Matt. Please. The staking and an LP on CRE are incredible. I received 12K CRE. Wow. Okay, in fact, dropping it well over here. I know. Wow. I didn't start staking Atom, Juno, and Osmo till March 7th, so I haven't qualified for anything good yet, but I'll get some. Yeah. Well, if you guys didn't watch Cryptocito's latest interview with the CEO of Ignite, stakers of Atom should be excited. Just put it that way. When Cosmos moves, you'll be bigger than the modern investor. Yeah. Just make sure you interact with the exchanges and always vote. Yep. So going back again, guys, cover some other things real quickly. So Juno actually finding a flooring position right around, like, what the hell is in my mouth? Losing my taste buds and everything. Been eating too much cough drops. Right around where I told you guys to start DCAing, or where I said would be strong buying pressure, showing really good support right here, guys. Look at this, kind of flooring out right here, right? Kind of flooring out. Let me see right here. Ooh, that doesn't look good at all. That's on the 15-minute though, so get out of here. That's a 12-hour. Where's the hour? There. Ooh. I wish I had a regular chart I can go all the way back and watch this stuff, or chart it on. Coming back down. Wait. It says it's 1589. Is this not up to date? Oh. Sorry, I thought it said 1689, guys. Guess I didn't see that. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Still, though, it's not doing all too bad, guys. Really finding support right around that $15 range. I'm looking to start DCAing myself if it comes down, again, right around $10 and anything below that. Anything below that, that's where I'm going to start DCAing. You guys still bullish for Juno? How's the project launch? Should mean larger airdrop allocations in the future. Yep. I'm still bullish for Juno, guys. I'm still bullish for Juno. Let the whale do whatever he's doing. In fact, is there any new votes or anything like that? He's been putting out stuff like every freaking day, right? Brent, I totally thought that said $16. I was like, oh, it's not doing too bad. Denied. Ugh. Still staking. Yep. Juno needs a few months to cool off. Like, honestly, yeah. Even, like, I agree, Rama. Oh, gosh, guys. I swear by Monday, I should be back to 100%. I really do think, even if you just look at the charts, like, we took off. We skyrocketed. Like, in freaking no time. From, right here. January, from like the beginning of the year, well, right at the end of the beginning of the year, right? We took off from $15 in no freaking time, went all the way up to $45. Like, those stupid angles like that are not sustainable anyway. Like, this isn't sustainable. This isn't sustainable. It was due to come back down. Now, compiled on top of like the FUD and the stress from CCN and all this other stuff. Like, it's unfortunate, but we are where we are. But honestly, there's nothing wrong with Juno. There's like, not at all. So I agree. You bought more at 1588. Not a bad thing. Actually, let me see here. Hold on. Let me open this one more time. Look at that dive. Oh, look at that dive. What do we do? What do we do when we see stuff like this, guys? When we see volume spikes like this, we buy. Yeah? We buy. 1 second, guys. We buy. When other people are fearful, we get greedy. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. I'm not going to buy a lot, guys. I'm just going to start fly fishing. Just fly fishing. I'm going to buy some more NGM too, by the way. Just letting y'all know. $500 spent just like that. I don't care. I don't care. I don't give a crap. Continues to fall. Let's actually take a look real quickly at our baby. We're gonna wait for that one to come down. We're gonna wait for that one to come down, guys. Crow. Oh, Crow is just CRO is just kind of just, man. 40 cents has just been so much support, guys. So much support. So much support right here. What is NGM though? Shoo! I told y'all to buy some NGM. I did. I remember I told y'all to buy some NGM. I can't buy green candles. Can't buy green candles though. I want to buy some more, but I can't buy green candles. Me say no. What else do I want? What else do I want from here? Yeah, go away. Guys, you know that. You know what that is, right? The whale dumping on you. Look at that being bought up too. Jonk. Or jonk. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry. Nick's not here. I'm kind of like phasing out too. If you guys would like the stream, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. I'm not always like this. I've been down with the flu. I'm just kind of crazy right now. I'm sorry, guys. Right now, we're just going through an AMA and kind of just like shopping live on stream. Taking Nikki Wells. Well, I'll tell you what. We are Wells with some things, to be honest with you. Be honest with you. What else do I want, guys? What else are you guys interested in? Is Raw your most anticipated upcoming airdrop, or you have another? You know, I haven't been anticipating, like I don't put myself through that like needless stress. I don't anticipate airdrops. I don't consider my airdrop something that like, you know, something that I bank on, because they change all the time, right? And like obviously Raw was like forever withheld and changed for forever. Grabbing more Evmos. Yes, I will grab more Evmos. I will more than likely grab more Evmos as well. Yeah, definitely will grab more Evmos. And to be honest with you, I'm gonna get a lot of raw, but I'm not like really anticipating that. Like, I got me the asset mantle. Like it's like I didn't like asset mantle's whole the way they went about having you have to do this, they claim this, and you have to do that to do this to claim anything. I was like, just if you're gonna airdrop it, just airdrop it. Like stop making. I get what they're doing, but stop making people jump through hoops, right? But I did get a bunch of asset mantle as well, just for having the positions that I had in with Juno and with Adam and stuff like that. So I did figure it out and went and staked it and stuff like that, which was a hassle too. But again, it wasn't that bad. But I'd say if you got it, stake it, and then you know how many things I've staked and just kind of like let it go, just to see what happens. Tons. I usually take a little bit of profit to ensure that I'm a winner of some sort, some way with every airdrop. But like Lum, like I could name off a bunch of them. Lum, Devmos, Hua, Cerberus, Mantle. Gosh, guys, what are all the other ones? What are all the other ones that we've gotten to? I can't even think of them. I can't even think of all of them now. Neta, guys, Neta, one of the, honestly, Neta was probably one of the most rewarding airdrops I've ever received, ever. Like I profited $30,000 off Neta, and Neta could definitely rip right back up, and melt people's faces. Once everything is in the rearview mirror for Juno and for, right now there's a couple of things for Juno that has to happen. And then also like the Neta DAO actually has to also take a little bit more initiative along with Passage to fix what the hell is happening with their mint launch for the Neta Troopers, right? Like that whole thing is definitely giving a bad look and all that stuff. But if all those things could start actually start turning, guys, I've shared with you guys the wallets before that hold Neta. Guys, it's like when you see people who play the NFT market game where they buy up all of it and then they set the price. There's something to be said when you can own 1% of anything. You can basically, like, when you make a splash, that's why you're considered it moves the market. Like we showed you guys the Neta holders, right? And the amount of addresses that hold what. They're not just going to let it go to zero at all. And it's been hovering at this price for a long time. Look at this. I mean, for basically the whole month. $400 is basically a good price to start going in on. But yeah. Another graph looking like it's bottom perhaps. Yep. Nice staking rewards on Mantle. Yeah, the staking reward, like that's, and again, BitSource, like stake it. If you got it, stake it. You're getting good rewards off it. Might as well, right? Like I don't know if I think they're going to, and I'm not trying to FUD them. I don't know if they're going to do well on as an NFT platform and all this other stuff. But if the token has value and it has good staking rewards and stuff like that, like I'm going to go ahead and stake that. Got to go, peeps. Tank, have a fantastic. Thank you so much, Altcoin Facts, for stopping in. Be fearless. I'm trying, man. Do 5 shots. What about layer 2's, Tank? Are we waiting? Optimistic, arbitrary? Like, I'm well diverse. Like, I'm trying to pick how I say this. Ooh, look at that. Did it just change? Oh. I used to be a lot more bullish on layer 2s when I wasn't in the Cosmos ecosystem. Now that I'm more in the Cosmos ecosystem than anywhere else, I'm still very well diversified, almost an equal amount dollar-wise in the crypto space. I don't really care all too much about layer 2s and stuff like that anymore, because like the only reason you need those things is to fix things for other things and blah, 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 blah. And it's like, well, if I do honestly believe that everything eventually will be IBC connected, like, why the hell do I need all that? You know? Do I like Theta as a streaming platform? I used to like Theta. Matter of fact, I used to just watch people used to watch them just so I could earn some Theta. I think they have a good platform, but again, they might just be ahead of their adoption rate. J2000. Story time as the well for Fortes now suspiciously grows amongst BFOT bag holders that take game to cast. Y'all don't even know how much I've been holding up, dude. I have been just like withholding my thought. Brent turned out to be the wolf who made the prop. The plot thickens. Yeah, well, there you go, BitSource. Yeah, the Cosmos ecosystem is the layer 2 that fixes all of their problems. Theta as a token. Yeah, I like the Theta platform. I like the Theta token. I liked everything. Like basically what they're doing is the same. I used to be a streamer for fitness on Twitch for a long time. And I made lots. Like I did really well, guys. I used to make like $5,000 a month just streaming my powerlifting workouts. You know, and I was a male streamer too. Like not, you know, I'm not tooting myself or nothing like that, or you know, whatever. But like, what they have on Twitch is they have bits that you can like throw to people or subscriptions and stuff like that. That's how you can get rewarded and stuff like that. What Theta's trying to do is just trying to like decentralize all that stuff. But I just think they need to, like I said, get more adoption. And I think once that happens, they could really do some damage. Do you hold much secret? I do hold secret. Probably not as much as I should. I got 17 mantle staked. I don't even know, guys. Let's see. What is mantle? Mantle wallet. Is it not on here? Where's the mantle wallet, guys? Hold on. Boop doop 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 doop. Oh, I can't even find where's the stupid wallet thing. I can't even find it, guys. Where's the stupid wallet thing that they wanted you to go to? Trying to look for it. Yeah, but I don't want you guys to see all that. Like, to me, it's not a pissing contest. Well, I guess, I mean, I could go over here. I could just do it over here and just show it to you guys. No, see, and yeah, it's not on there. It's on their asset mantle wallet or whatever it was. There. Yeah. It's not on your Kepler. It's right here. So I gotta just put that there. I got 1,262 mantle. Not bad. It's whatever. Or no. Vesting. Total. Yeah. Claim. Blah, 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 blah. I'll claim it later. Top right. Let me see here. Other than Strange Clan, what are your top 5 NFT projects on Cosmos? Uh, it's a good question. That's a really good question. I mean, obviously, like I got, Strange Clan is pretty freaking dope. Um, do 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 do. Hold on one second. I don't know why this is always on so many different things. There you go. So I was bullish on these projects, but like, I don't know if I'm bullish like I am for Strange Clan though. Like Strange Clan is a whole different thing. But IBC Friends, I was bullish on them. Neta Troopers, I was bullish on them. I don't know why this isn't pulling up. But these are the ones that here, yeah. I bought this just because I was like, I'm gonna buy it. But I just wanted to have, because obviously it's the IBC Gang YouTube channel, so I bought one of these. Owlies, yeah, I'm bullish on them, but like not really. Ooh, look at Bitcanna. Butthead gave me. Look, they just gave me one of these. Look at that. Shout outs to you guys, Bitcanna. Hello, my friend. Did y'all get this? They gave a tank top. Did y'all get a Bitcanna? Go to your Stargazer now. Did you guys get a Bitcanna? I don't even know why I got this. That's interesting. Yeah, but apparently this guy is pretty rare. This guy's pretty rare, and this guy's pretty rare as well. But yeah, and then I have on Passage. You got one? I'm on phone. Good to have a friend. Yep. Wait. So I wasn't the only one. Some other people, Brent, you didn't get one? Did anybody else get one of those? I don't know if I had any BCNA though. Maybe I did. Maybe I did then. There's a lot of people saying that this was something to be bullish on. I don't know about that either though. Like NFTs right now are just so, I will be honest. This is outside of the Cosmos ecosystem though. I was bullish on, no updates on Neta Troopers yet. I was bullish on one other NFT project, and this is a total ETH thing. But I have one of these. I'm super bullish on this. Totally outside of the scope, right? But yeah, this is like a horse racing thing, guys. When I started off in crypto, what was Bitcoin and Ethereum? Hands down. That was the first two I bought. Bitcoin and ETH. I bought more ETH than Bitcoin. I still remember I bought $10,000 worth of Bitcoin when it was like 20s or something like that, somewhere in the 20s. And then Ethereum I bought when it was like $300 or something like that. And that was $10,000 of that too. Yeah, they did lose a lot of steam, but we'll see. I don't know. Like I say that and said, a lot of NFT positions, even with like functionality that have use case and stuff like that, none of them have really ever panned out very well. So when I buy NFTs now, I just kind of buy NFTs because one, I like them. or two, I want to support the project. Like, I don't even necessarily have to like them. I'll just support the project though. IBC Friends Wave 2 robots just dropped. Where did they drop theirs? I didn't see it on Star. Tank should have a BJJ play to earn game. Yeah. Where you can upgrade your white belt to a red belt like that. Coral belt like that. Ooh, it's down now. What is the Crescent price? Did it take a dive? Apparently it took a dive. Yeah, it took a dive. Whamp. They didn't go on their launch pad. Ah. Blend NFTs over time to rank up over 10 years. Yeah. What is BFOD at? Ugh. Dead. Told y'all, take profits while profits were there. Always. Always. Only be Juno, taking a long process to earn a true belt. Yeah. Each belt should, like your first, even your white belt, to get past your white belt should at minimum take you about a year. If you get promoted, you either are like really good at jiu-jitsu or judo. If you get promoted quicker than a year into a new belt from a white belt, like you either are doing really good or your professors are lying to you. That's why you do no-gi. I try to do a little bit of both. Travis still making 1K a day from the castle. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I still make money from the castle, guys. Like, again, I wouldn't want to FUD that either. I make money from the castle still. Heading to 0. I don't think it's heading to 0, man. Like, it could go to 4. It could go to 2. It could go to 1. It could go to fractions of a penny. Yeah, but let me go back. You had 3 stripes on my white belt before I retired due to injury. Yeah, freaking, I've seen a lot of people get injured. A lot of people get injured. Then again, I saw a lot of people get injured in powerlifting as well. Let's go over real quickly, just because I know right now, again, guys, I'm kind of phasing out because I'm, fog brain, flu brain, and stuff like that. But I do want to kind of like end it out with sharing with you guys the key levels on these charts, because we could literally hit those things, and I want you guys to be aware of them. Did you see their SFOT staking vault tank? I did. Well, I briefly looked at it. Actually, let me take a look. Is this it? Wait, did I go to it? Stop. Yeah, right here. SFOT price. Right, so if I do that, right? Okay. And then I go to here, turn that into that, which I have to turn GFOT. Yeah, okay. And then I go here. Oh, but I could get a whole GFOD. What is the game now though, Brand? Is it just so? What is that? Is that like basically $40 in SFOT? Getting chills. I've been having the chills like on and off. So mint it. Mint it, stupid. How come it won't let me mint it? Less. Oh, is it because I need to do like that or something like that? Oh, they won't let me do that. Stupid thing. How come it won't let me? It won't let me. Huh? What's going on? What am I being stupid for? And this is why nobody likes you. What the heck is going on? Oh, you can't mint while it's off the peg. So what? We just... So how do you protect the... How do you protect the peg? You have to swap in the pools. Gosh, I've been out of it for so long, guys. No. Ah, I can do it there. What's up, Ryan? Ryan. Should do a meetup in Tennessee, my friend. So, okay, so I did that. I go here. Wait. And I go here. And then I could stake this. Is that what you're telling me I could do? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do all of it. Whatever. I don't care. I'm down to play this game. Ooh. Ryan, miss you too, man. What have you been up to, Ryan? Oh, you're in Ohio? My in-laws are from my in-laws are from Ohio. We're about in Ohio. It should be 1-to-1 with UST. Guys, I'll take that gamble. Screw it. Just working a lot and back in the gym. Nice, dude. Nice, dude. Yeah, COVID tried to kill me and then the flu just tried to kill me too. I'm not going to let it. There's too much money to be made. Amherst. Nice, dude. Later, DGen. Yeah, I'm just going to go and do this and then we're going to be wrapping it up here in a minute, guys. Try to get in the vote. In the vote. Why don't you let me just go back there? Let me click it. Okay. Then we can go here, right? Max. Stake it. So they're saying, Brent, I'm going to get on my SFOT, I'm going to get 2,200% on and a DPR of 6. Get out of here. Get out of here. Nice, dude. All right, we'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes. All right, real quick rundown, guys. Real quick rundown because, you know, I'm just kind of rambling. This is, if you guys are looking at the charts, guys, Bitcoin, one more time. This is what we're looking at right now. It is breaking back down. If we break back down, there's multiple different places that we could go, but more than likely, we're going to go to one place in particular. If we do break down from there, we're going to go to right about there, which ends up being about $29,000 to about $30,000, kind of like we've been at for the past right here. That is from the opening of this wedge pattern to the bottom of where we are right now, or from where we are right now to the bottom, using the opening as a measuring stick. That is one way you can look at it. And then you can look at it like this, guys, on Bitcoin's chart with using the 200 SMA strategy. Again, right around $30,600. That is the average break below the 200 SMA, 36.45%. Total average move down once the 200 SMA is broken over the past 10 breaks. So again, guys, a lot of things lining up to about $30,000 to $28,000 to $30,000 being a pretty good place to start DCAing on Bitcoin. If you guys want to take a look at Ethereum, same thing, guys. Take a look at this. If this does not hold up as support right now, which is this upwards trend line, we could fall all the way back down here to about $2,100 to $2,200. If that doesn't hold up right here, we could fall down all the way to here, which is the 200 SMA strategy, 48.88%. That would bring us all the way down to 1876. I don't necessarily think we're going to get all the way down there, but I think we could likely get anywhere between here and $2,000. So this is a good area of DCAing, in my humble opinion. Be on the lookout for that, guys. On Luna's chart, again, guys, if we get a breakdown, we could see it come all the way down to $64, which is just below the 200 SMA. If it gets real capitulate, well, I don't think it's going to happen, but if we do get it, we can come all the way down 59.77%. We don't have much on the 200, so I did this on a 50 SMA strategy. We could come down to here, which is right on $36. I don't think that's going to happen. So again, guys, my alarm is set to right around for $64 or so. Be on the lookout for that area for Luna for a DCA strategy. And then again, Adam, I've been sharing this area for so long. If we come down to about $20.77, be on the lookout for that to start DCAing. Anywhere between $17.50 and $20.77, I think, is a fair place to start DCAing on Adam's chart. I think if you guys don't, and you guys call yourselves cosmonauts, then you're not a true cosmonaut if you don't start DCAing right here. If you guys don't start DCAing there and you do call yourself a true cosmonaut, it's because you bought it all the way down here, and I wouldn't blame you for not wanting to touch anything up here. Just my humble opinion. Anyway, guys, I got to go. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you guys for coming back. I know I've been gone. It really means a lot. I will be back on Monday. We'll actually be putting out videos throughout this weekend, but I'll be back on Monday, hopefully with Nick. Be safe, my friends.